Hey, welcome to the video. We'll go ahead and get started on this. To edit the website, we'll click on the edit site, and that'll pull up the website. And this will bring up a few options for us. Over here on the left, you'll have a bunch of different things you can work with, and on the top it'll be all the tabs, but we'll just click over here on activities. And then scroll down, and we'll be working with this module just for some examples. The module will consist of this image, a header, and the text, and these just all three of these parts just make one module. So we'll start with editing an image. So first thing to do to edit an image, we'll click on that and we'll click on replace image, and then we have the option to do any of these things here. To edit it, we'll just click on upload a photo, and from here we can just click on one of these images, and then once we have it selected, we just click on open. But for the testing reasons, we'll not do that, so we'll go ahead and exit out. But that's all you'd have to do to change an image. Next thing we can do is if we want to edit text, we can just click in here to edit the header, or click down here and we can edit the text. If we want to add a little thing in here, for instance, just click down here and I can just type something in here. Or no, we'll go ahead and delete that so we can keep the website the same. Now next thing that we can do is we'll show you how to edit the slideshow. So we'll scroll up, go ahead and edit this slideshow, just click on it and click on add edit photo. From here we have a few options. If we want to delete a photo, we would just hover over that little trash bin and we could delete the photo, or if we want to add, we'll click on add photos, and that'll bring up the same option just like if we were editing it from the ribbon earlier, and we would just open it in that case. So again, we'll just keep it the same, so we'll go ahead and exit out. Next thing we'll want to show you how to do is to edit your calendar. So from here, you should already have the tab pulled up, so we'll just go ahead and click on the tab to Google Calendars, and from there we'll go to the left and click on My Calendars and click on Settings. And then from here we can click on the calendar you want, and we already have this code HTML there, so we'll go ahead and copy that. And then once we have that copied, we'll go back over to the website, and then we'll go to the calendar page. From the calendar page, we'll go ahead and click on that blank space to the right of it, and that will open this up. We'll go ahead and delete the text there, and then we'll paste the new HTML, and that will bring up the new calendar. Next, we'll go back to showing you guys how to edit the modules itself. So again, that has those three components of having the text and your images, and you have the option to exit those and delete them. So if we just click on that, we can delete it. We can do the same thing here with the text of the header and then the body text. We'll delete that. And you have to delete each element in order to get that done. And then we still have a little space here. It's because we've put in a spacer here in order to preserve that. So if we want to get rid of this extra space, we can just click delete on that. And then automatically Weebly will make those come together. So let's say you wanted to add something, we'll just do the reverse of what we just did and click on one of these elements here on the left, like an image, like for the red ribbons. And then we can drag that over. You see this blue line indicating where it will go. We'll go ahead and put it right here in the middle with the rest of them, once you show that blue line indicating the location. And then that'll pop up, just fills in the spot for it. We'll go ahead and do that here with the header as well. So we'll grab the text and put it there under that, and then we'll go ahead and grab some more text and put it underneath that. So then all you have to do from there is edit those so that they look like the rest of the information. We can put a spacer in just so that we have it like the rest of the image, and you can size that just by dragging it up and making sure it aligns with the other ones. So other than that, you can go ahead and edit all the information as you want to and add any images you want into that space.